Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the browser you use daily. First, make sure you're signed into your profile so settings sync. This prevents losing changes later. Once open, locate the settings menu, usually 3 dots or lines in the top right. Click that and choose Settings or Preferences. You're starting the process now. We won't pause for basics. Have www.google.com typed in a new tab, so you can paste or type it into the homepage field quickly when prompted. Once in Settings, navigate to the section labeled on Startup or Appearance. Different browsers label it slightly differently. Choose the option to open a specific page or to show a home button. This is how you force the browser to load Google first. Then enter or paste https://www.google.com into the provided field and confirm by clicking Add, Save, or Set. Make sure to remove any unwanted pages in that list so Google is the only entry. This step fixes where your browser starts. Finish by restarting the browser to confirm Google opens on launch. That verifies the change stuck. If it doesn't, check for extensions or policies that might override startup pages. Disable extensions briefly and try again. For managed laptops, make sure no enterprise policy locks the home page. If needed, clear startup entries or reset browser settings to defaults, then repeat the homepage step. One key troubleshooting tip: disable suspected extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.